Hello viewer. So create these designs here. Let's find some shapes and there we are. Keep on generating the shapes here. So find some different shapes. I will add a paint into that. So make a different shape here. Thank you for watching.